Hello everyone, I am Balram Bhala of class 12 science. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in our school and the importance of school innovation councils. Friends, innovation is a process in which we produce new goods or services, or we try to better the already existing goods and services. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business while bearing most of the risk and having most of the rewards. The business started by an entrepreneur is known as a startup. So an entrepreneur needs to be an innovator, because when you bring new innovations in your business, it will provide your business a boost, and you will go a step ahead from the other businesses. Startups are the backbone of our country. The quality of startups which exist in our country determine how efficient the youth is. So, in order to make brilliant startups, the foundation stone must be laid in our schools only. And the best way to achieve that is by implementing school innovation councils in the school. Here we have adult tinkering lab or ATL where we are sitting here. So ATL provides us a platform where we come together with brilliant minds and think about various problems and find solutions to them. When you sit with a community of brilliant minds, then you find innovative problems and solutions to those problems. ATL has played a very crucial role in my life. I was in class 7th when I joined ATL. I was a student of the first batch of ATL. So I started learning from scratch about various microcontrollers, sensors, machines, devices. Then I gradually developed interest in 3D printing. I designed various models using SketchUp software, and I printed them using that 3D printer. So these have developed a lot of skills inside me, like innovation, problem solving, teamwork, cooperation. And these skills have helped me in participating a lot of events with the help of ATL. I have participated in rapid prototyping camp at Jamshedpur, in India International Science Festival at Kolkata, Inspire Awards at Ranchi. I was selected for state level at that awards. Then I have participated at various ATL community day events at the local villages. So these have helped me in gaining a lot of different skills, and these skills will benefit me for sure in the future. Any one of you can gain these skills. You just need to become a part of this community. You just need to come together with other minds and just discuss about various problems, and you will find innovative solutions to them. ATL is providing a platform for that only, and this will help in the development of the country in the future for sure. It is a very long process, but it is a necessary one. And while we will achieve this, we will achieve the goal of making our country the #1 country of the world. And with these words, I would like to say a message of Steve Jobs, which says that innovation differentiates between a leader and a follower. So all of us must keep thinking and keep innovating, so that we will become a good and efficient leader. And this will help in making India the #1 country of the world. With these words, I would like to conclude my speech. I hope that you liked it. Thank you.